Today we'll be taking a quick look at the Dutton-Lainson covered hand winch. This is going to be a single speed winch that works out well for any kind of application where you'd want a horizontal pull. So boat trailers, anything that you're going to want to pull anything out, and lifting bulky equipment, things like that. This is designed to pull objects that are up to 1,900 pounds or 1,900 pounds. We'll have our strap with a hook on the end. It has a little keeper clip there to make sure that it doesn't come free easily. It's going to be a nice, easy way to get that attached to any of our attachment points. And then it does have this strap. This measures 20 feet long and it's about 2 inches wide. See that there? Our hook from the center of its attachment to our strap is about 3.5 inches long. And then the throat is about 1/2 inch wide. The outside dimension of it at the widest point is about 2 1/4. This winch has a nice ergonomic handle, so it gives you a good grip. My hands are a little bit small, but even somebody who had larger hands than mine would still have plenty of room to get a good grip on there. The grooves in it give you a nice feeling there, and then I like that the ends are flared out, so it just feels really secure in the hand. This does have a free spool option, which it's in right now. The way to operate that is to flip this switch, and now it's in its ratcheting mode. So as I ratchet that in, it pulls our strap in and then locks it from coming back out. Flip the lever down. Now it's in its free spool mode, and we can pay out our strap. The other nice thing about this particular winch is that it has this 3-piece cover. So we'll have a top piece and then the 2 side pieces. That keeps all our internal components, like the gears, protected from any water, dirt, or debris. Those components on the inside are zinc tough plate coated, so it has a nice corrosion resistant finish. And then we'll have a powder coating on our handle and the base to help that stay nice and corrosion free as well. That's just a textured gray powder coat. It's a really nice, easy to use winch. The mounting plate that you can use with this is sold separately. You will also need 3 3/8 inch bolts. Those are also sold separately to get this installed. Now, as far as some measurements with this, while I have it turned over, let's talk about how long that handle is. From the center of the bolt, where it attaches to the winch, to the center of the handle, it's about 9.5 inches. I'll flip my tape measure around so you can actually see that. So that's how wide of a swing it has going in one direction. If you multiply that out, that would be about 19 inches. So that's how much room you'll need to allow for that handle all the way around. And then our bolt pattern at the bottom, from those top holes at the center to our oblong hole back here, it's about 4 inches from the center of one to the center of the other. And then from the center of our oblong holes to the center of the other one is about 2.5 inches. The widest point would be about 3 3/4. Just to give you a rough idea of that mounting plate, of how that mounting plate would be mounted up. To attach our handle, it does have a lock nut there to keep it secure. The winch measures about 12 inches long from the very front to the very back of that kind of fin there. It's about 7 inches wide at the cover. With our handle arm, it's about 8 inches to there, and then to the actual grip, it's about 12 inches overall. The grip handle is about 4 inches all on its own. It also stands about 7, measure again, it's about 7 3/4 inches tall to this portion here. This has a rated line pull with 1 layer of strap around the reel. With a static load, it's 1,900 pounds. With a rolling load, it's 19,000 pounds. The boat pull capacity, so the kind of boat that it can pull up, will depend on the kind of trailer that you have. The trailers with wooden bunks and no self-alignment capability, that capacity stays at 1,900 pounds. When we go up to a standard trailer, it goes up to 3,900 pounds. For a trailer equipped with free turning rollers, it goes up to 5,700 pounds or 5,700 pounds. The real hub diameter is 1 1/8 inches. This has a gear ratio of 5.4 to 1, and it does come with a 5-year limited warranty. Overall, I think this is going to do a great job in saving you some arm fatigue from getting your boat pulled in. Looks really nice. It should last for a long time. And that's going to do it for our look at the Dutton-Lainson covered hand winch.